First, 2 parts wood glue, 1 part alcohol, and 1 part warm water are mixed together. If the mixture is too thick, add more water. Too thin, add more glue. The resulting mixture should have the consistency of heavy cream. The glue mixture is poured into a shallow container, then a thin paint roller is used to apply the mixture to a single sheet of a heavy paper such as 70-pound craft. The paper is rolled out. Depending on the length and thickness of the paper, different wall diameters of the paper tube can be achieved. The very top edge of the paper is especially soaked with glue to prevent peeling. The bottom edge is squared off symmetrically. A dowel is then placed in the center of the glue-free square. The paper is folded over the dowel, and the edge is placed on the glued part of the paper. The loose part of the flap is tightly pressed against the dowel. The dowel is then rolled while being pressed down on the table. The tube, now wrapped around the dowel, is rolled on the table to adhere the peeling edge of the paper to the rest of the tube, to achieve a nearly seamless cylinder. A small amount of pure wood glue can be brushed under the edge to help with this process. The formed tube is then simply slipped off the dowel and put onto the side. For an even thicker tube, a single sheet of craft is coated with glue, including the glueless area near the bottom edge. A second, identical sheet of paper is placed on top of the coated sheet. A dowel could be rolled on the surface to push out any air trapped underneath, or this could just be done by hand. This second sheet is then coated with more glue, but unlike the first sheet, this sheet is left with a glue-free area. The rolling procedure is repeated until the tube is fully formed. The resulting product has a raw, unrefined appearance. When the tubes are fully dry, the rough ends can be trimmed and sanded until smooth.